Yeah, you could say there's. I don't think there's a great gap, but there's better footballers at this level. There's more passing, and like I said, the players round you help, because obviously I'm playing with better players, so that always helps, and obviously more experienced players as well, so it helps. But no, I don't think the gap's absolutely massive. Not as big as some people think. Obviously, we played Grimsby on Saturday. Obviously, they're the league below, non-league club apparently, but obviously gave us a good game. I was coaching for a friend of mine. He's got his own coaching business, going around schools in Sheffield, Rotherham and Barnsley. So I was working for him, coaching sort of 5 to 10 year olds, multi sports. Yeah, it's obviously better. I'm training every day, coming in to play football every day. So it's obviously a lot better than working, as everybody could imagine. So now I'm just counting my lucky stars that I'm doing this for a job, to be fair. Oh yeah, it's up there with one of the best feelings in the world. Especially with it being 2 minutes to go, and such a big game against a good Chesterfield side. That was up there with one of the best feelings. I'd probably say Big Chris is a good character to have in the dressing room. Obviously with his experience, skill-wise and fun-wise, I'd probably have to say Accrington, to be fair. He's a funny guy, and he's got a lot of tricks in training, to be fair. No real. It was a no-brainer, to be fair. As soon as I knew Scunthorpe were interested, it was there's not a lot of thinking, to be honest. Sort of snapped at the chance. No, it's been good. Like I say, I'm waking up every morning to come and play football and training, learning stuff every single day in training. So it's good. I can feel myself improving week by week. So now overall it's brilliant. I was buzzing, to be fair, when I got the phone call. To say obviously they were interested and wanted to talk and stuff. Like I said before, it was a no-brainer. It didn't take long to get it all sorted and signed on my part. I think like I say, I'm improving every week. I'm getting better. I think I'm a better player than I was when I first signed in the summer, which obviously is what I was hoping for, training every day. So I think I'm doing all right, hopefully. Yeah, it was good. It was a great atmosphere. 8,000 fans there. Brilliant. It was a brilliant day, to be fair. Although I don't think the game was a bit scrappy. I think it was a typical cup tie, typical derby game. But that was a great atmosphere and a great game. Best thing about Scunthorpe United. I have to say the fans on. I think probably go with the fans, especially after the Grimsby game on Saturday. They made a lot of noise. 1,800. There was couple in the Conference Premier. Obviously a few in the Conference North, but I wanted to make the step up, and one League Two side. But like I say, as soon as I knew Scunthorpe was interested, it was a no-brainer. And like I say, obviously living in Sheffield, I've got a car school of 4 travelling, so it was absolutely ideal. Everything felt perfect. Probably something in a trade, or maybe gone to college and done something like being an electrician or plumber or plaster or something, probably some sort of trade I would have thought. Who's noticed that?
Matt Godden.
Matt Godden.
Yeah.
That's a tattoo on my leg, but I might have getting finished actually tomorrow. It's the time my little boy was born.
Oh,
I've got a pocket watch tattooed on my leg.